first, and then I'm gonna play some.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
My name is Mark. I have one SKAR EVO 15 on a Genius Audio 3K, and I have a power acoustic overdrive 13x4 running my doors, and I have a PRV 2.8X DSP for my.
Okay, I had it up because it was quieter. Nice. Did you install this?
No, I had some. I did some installation, but most of it I had somebody else do.
Okay.
So.
And is it a little louder with the seats down or up? Does it not matter? Or have you
it doesn't
noticed?
really matter about that. I mean, I could like it louder with the windows down.
Okay. So. What is the box tuning or cubic space, if you remember?
The box it's a SKAR prefab box. So, but the tuning, I don't know what the cubic space is, but I know the box is tuned to 31.
31. Okay.
So I could play lower than I could play down to like 21 without.
Okay.
Any issues. Yes, it's not the most windy, but
yeah, it gets the job done. All right. Looks good.
All right.
Awesome. Any SPL tests for fun or just?
I'm going to actually. I got the SPL lab meter. I'm actually going to do. I'm gonna do some testing after the video.
Okay.
I got some SPL lab meter ready.
All right. Any battery or alternator?
I'm still stock like from last time.
Okay. No worries.
I've got the big 3.
Okay.
I did do the big 3.
All right.
And I got SkyHigh Neo 6.5 going in each store, and I got some cheap $25 Zondi Chinese tweeters in the stock location.
Sounds good.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, I could play down as low as 20. I could go down to 20 before it falls on its face.
Yeah.
And then I could go up to highs about 52.
Really? So really high bandwidth.
Yeah.
So.
I mean, I liked it better with the seats up, but only I had it down because I knew you needed it.
Yeah, you can see the amp and all.
Yeah.
So. Woo!
Yeah,
You got a little smoke from a fuse.
Yeah, it's one of the speaker wires. The power wire that's going to the thing is melting the thing, so I got to get that fixed.
Oh, okay, got it.
That's what that is. It's not the amp is not burnt. It's just the power wire.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah, I can go down to 20, but I'm gonna play something higher now.
Okay.
So this way you gotta worry about.
Sure. Yeah, that's fine. Oh yeah, copyright sometimes. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, no, I got non-copyrighted music I can play.
Okay.
You want that, so this way you don't have to worry about.
I want to slow it down. Yeah.
Yeah. Let me get to it, but.
Space knob. Yeah. One SKAR EVO 15. Alright, take a picture real quick.
Sorry,
Oh, you're good.
She said she got a man as deaf. I don't hear her.
So I'm gonna go a little windy first,
That one played pretty low.
This is not copyrighted.
Good bandwidth too.
Oh yeah, I could play down as low as 20. I could go down to 20 before it falls on his face.
Yeah.
And then I could go up to high as about 52.
Appreciate the demo, man.
You're welcome.
Mark, right?
Yep.
All right, Mark. Have a good day.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop